Is we do a familiar read. So Peyton, can you please read Zach is a rat?
Zach is a rat.
Good girl.
And that's the title of the story. Zach sat on a can. Zach the ant ran to the jam.
Good girl.
Zach had a pan. Zach had a can.
No, look at that page again. What's the last word?
Fan.
Fan. There we go. Good girl.
The ant ran and ran. Zach had a nap.
Very good. Now, Peyton, can you stand up for us? Put your book away.
The end.
The end. Can you stand up for us? And I want you to stand back there. And okay, Peyton, we are working with the sound of letter E today. So can you do Ellie elephant for us?
Ellie elephant. Letter E.
Very good. Now Peyton's going to sit down and she's going to practice writing the letter E in shaving cream. I have put it on a baking sheet so it doesn't make a mess on the table. It's just a different way for her to practice writing her letters instead of just using a pencil and paper. So Peyton, can you practice the letter E for me?
Yes, I can.
Can you do a big E for me?
Yes.
Ooh, and what sound does E make?
Eh.
And around.
This one?
No, let's try again. Okay, so now we're going to work on some worksheets that you can get off of starfall.com that go along with the story that she's going to read, Peg the Hen. Peyton, on number 1, what is that a picture of?
Hen.
A hen. And what does hen begin with? Very good. Can you trace the word? Hen. And what does the word say?
Hen.
Hen. And number 2, right here, what is that a picture of?
10.
10. So they already gave us the N part, so what letter was missing?
T.
T. For what sound does T make?
T.
T. Very good. Can you finish tracing the word 10? You already went ahead and started some of this, didn't you?
Yes.
Good girl.
I got it. Now what I said. Please. I can blow up your mind.
So what is this a picture of?
Pen.
And what does this word say now? Pen. Very good. What is this a picture of? What do you think?
Men.
Men. So what's the beginning sound that's missing? Well, let's check that because what sound does T make?
Ta 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 ta.
But this word is men. What letter makes a sound? M. Very good. Okay, let's read our words. What is this? Hen.
Ten. Men. Pen.
Pen. Very good. Now, this time, they gave us the beginning sound. So, that letter is what? What's this letter, Peyton?
Look.
T ta ta ta.
Ta. And so they're working with the words that rhyme with fall. So we have the T. What letters am I missing for all? we spell all. Look at here. A-L-L. So can you write tall for me? Because that rhymes with fall.
Little,
Fall,
little.
tall,
Little, little.
little. So, O. Start from the top. All the way to the tip top. There you go. L. L. Very good. Now it says tall. And it rhymes with fall. What else do you think rhymes with fall, tall? Ball. Very good. Can you finish writing the letters for me? A-L-L. So can you do that, please?
Start with L and A.
Very good. So we have, read them with me. Ready? Fall, tall, ball,
Wall.
wall. Very good. What letters are missing?
L.
L. Very good. Okay, so we're going to read today Peg the Hen. Can you read the title for me?
Peg
Peg.
is.
Let's read the title. Remember, the title's at the very top of the book, right?
Peg is.
What's that word? The
Hen.
hen. Very good. So it's like the words we were just working with. Ready? Peg is.
Is a.
What color did we color that? What color did we color this?
Red.
Red.
Peg.
Hen. So let's read it again fluently. Ready? Go.
Peg is a red hen.
Very good, Peyton. Can you turn the page for me?
Yes.
Okay. Ready? Go.
Peg gets
Gets.
ready.
So does that begin with an R? What sound does it make in the beginning? S. At. Set.
To go.
Okay, let's read it one more time.
Peg gets ready.
No, let's try it again.
Peg gets set
There you go.
to go.
Awesome. Turn the page.
Well, now we're going to be on number 3.
Very good, because 3 comes after 2. You're awesome, baby. Here we go.
Peg gets in a green
Jet. Today. Okay, let's read it again.
Peg jet.
No, that's a G. Good.
Peg it is
Okay, start over. Calm down. Ready? Go.
peg
Get.
had
Gets.
get in the a jet.
Okay, read it one more time. Ready? 1.
Peg
Good girl. Get.
gets in a jet.
What comes after 3? What page are we going to be on next? 1, 2, 3, 4. Ready? Go.
The
Good girl.
jet is fast.
Oh my goodness, that page was perfect. What do we? 5. You're so smart.
Peg, it gets wet.
Awesome. What's she getting wet from? Oh, wait for my question. What's she getting wet from?
The rain.
The rain. And
5.
what comes after 5?
5.
What comes after 5?
6.
6. Ready? Go.
The jet gets in a jet. Spider.
Just web. There's no spider there. Web. Okay,
Web.
let's read it again. Oh, I'm sorry.
The jet got
That got.
the
Gets.
get that and
In. Web.
web.
Web. Very good.
Now it's going to be 7.
7. Ready?
Peg, plant,
Remember those wormy words that we did earlier?
fall,
Very good.
and fall.
Can you read it one more time?
Peg, fall, and fall.
Very good. What comes after 7?
Eight.
8. Very good.
Peg, fall, and
2.
to bed.
And why do you think she fell into bed?
I don't know.
Well, when you go to bed, what are you? You're very what?
Tired.
Tired.
The end.
The end.
And over.